Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Smorgasbord Kitchen. In honor of National Pancake Day, we'll be making vegan pancakes. For this recipe, we'll need ground flaxseed. The stores around me only carry whole flaxseed, so I'll use a coffee grinder to grind 2 tablespoons of it. We'll put our ground flaxseed into a medium bowl, along with 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. We'll whisk this together until combined, and then set aside. In a large mixing bowl, we'll combine 2 cups of water, 6 tablespoons of oil, either vegetable, canola, or coconut, and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Whisk this together. Add the dry ingredients. Then mix until you have a nice, smooth, pancakey consistency. We'll move over to the stove and preheat our griddle over medium to medium-high heat and cook our pancakes. Hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe. Please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thanks, and see you next time.